In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Outlook messages to Thunderbird. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top right in Thunderbird and you want to click on the three lines. And then from here, you want to go to Tools, hover over it, and then click on them. And of course, you want to click on the Import button up top. Now, from here, as you can see, this is the Import tool, and you want to select on Import from Outlook. So you want to click on over here, and then you want to click on Continue. And then from here in the next step here, it's going to ask you what you want to import from Outlook. So of course here, I'm just going to do mail messages. You can do all the other things as well if you want to. So I'm going to basically just select mail messages because that's what the video is about. Then I'm going to click on continue. And then from here, you want to click on start import. And as you can see, it's going to say completed, okay, or finish. Now what you have to do is simply click on the finish button over here, and it's going to basically sync these. Now we have to restart Thunderbird as well. So I'm going to close it like this, and I'm going to just reopen up Thunderbird like this, and you'll see that my messages are actually going to pop in here. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, there's now in here, and if I go to Outlook import over here, you'll see that all the conversations, drafts, outbox, etc. are going to be open just like that. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.